Hello, this is just a quick video of some WarHammer 40K orc LOOTAS. I painted up 3 of them. I got 2 others I need to build up, but I did these a few months back, and just want to put them back into the playlist here, and you'll see a little bit more miniatures painted from me. I'm average, below average, as I have said this over and over in a few of my videos here, so be kind. So, anyways, one thing I learned about when I did these LOOTAS, it's real important on what primer you use. I caught it on the first one I did, the first one, and you'll see in the video how it didn't leave a smooth layering there or whatever. So yeah, I plan on to keep on painting more miniatures and more miniatures because I want to get better at it, and the way you get better at it is you keep on doing it. So anyways, enjoy the short video or the short time here. I appreciate your time watching it, and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll have more miniatures down the pipe or in the future, whatever. So, and I'll have a whole bunch of scale models coming up too. So I just love both sides of it. So anyways, hope you guys have a good day, and you have a great week. Talk to you guys later.